So now we are going to see the Pythagoras theorem proof of theorem 6.7 of a triangle, chapter 6, triangle, in which the statement is in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of square of other two sides. As you all know what is Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus other side square. That we are going to prove. So that means it is given here, it's given that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, so let us assume that it is right angled at B. So therefore at B ऐसा लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. So therefore now triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which B is 90 degrees, so opposite side will be hypotenuse. So to prove AC square is equals to, ये AC है, is equals to one side square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This we have to prove. We will have to do a construction. But before construction, I just wanted to remind you the property 6.6. That is the property. What is that? If a line drawn, we can take this example of the figure. If a line drawn from the vertices, okay, of which is already a right angle, okay, a line drawn from मतलब जो triangle already एक right angle triangle है, right angle triangle से हम लोग एक perpendicular draw कर रहे हैं, on hypotenuse. Okay, statement understood. एक triangle है जो कि right angle triangle है, उस right angle triangle के vertices से if we are drawing a perpendicular to the hypotenuse, then what will happen? The particular this particular triangle and this particular triangle will be similar to the complete bigger triangle. Okay, नहीं समझ में आया तो मैं एक बार लिख के बताता हूँ. That is ADB is similar to ABC, मतलब ये छोटा वाला ADB ये पूरे बड़े इसको similar रहेगा, and BDC is similar to ABC. This is the property. Okay, so you have to understand this when it comes to write. I will write by property or by previous theorem. ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ. So for remembering this, I am just writing it here. Okay. So I hope you understood this property. Now we'll go for the construction. Construction यहाँ पे क्या करना है? सिर्फ right angle triangle दिया है. ये मैंने already draw किया है. So draw the construction. Construction. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Okay. मैंने ये perpendicular कर. Proof. Now we'll go for proof. अभी हमको proof करना है. So we will start our proof. Let us say अभी मैंने property बताई आपको. So by property ADB is similar to triangle ABC, and in case if they are similar, so what will happen, which implies AD upon AB is equals to AB upon AC. Correct? Equation number 1. Also इसको अपन लिख सकते हैं by property. ठीक है, by property जायदाद के साथ. So ADB is equals to is similar to ABC. So this is there. This equals to this, which can be written as AD into AC. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, is equals to AB into AB, AB square. We can give this as equation number 1. Now we'll go to the another thing, that is BDC. BDC triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, correct? Which implies BC upon AC is equals to, you can say DC upon BC. DC upon BC. Okay, इसको solve कर देते हैं तो that will become BC square cross multiply is equals to AC into DC. This will be equation number 2. Correct? So from 1 and 2, or we can add 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, so what we'll get here? AB square plus BC square is equals to AD into AC plus AC into DC. ओके, सो AC दोनों जगह पे है तो आई कैन टेक कॉमन AC और ज्यादा ठंडा हो जाएगा, देन AD प्लस DC, करेक्ट, विच इक्वल्स टू AC into AD plus AC, AD plus DC. What is AD plus DC? AD plus DC is equals to AC, correct? AD plus DC is equals to AC. तो आ गया, so this will be AB square plus BC square is equals to AC into AC, AC square. So I can write it here, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC into AC, AC square. So this is how we can prove it. Here and here you have to write by property. Which property? That I told you, that is there in the textbook also, that is theorem 6.6 is there, the statement is there, you can reuse the statement here and here. So hence it is proved that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so this is the Pythagoras theorem proof. So thank you.